Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to order Moringa powder. First, always prioritize organic and pure Moringa powder from trusted suppliers. This ensures you are getting a high-quality product without unwanted additives. Next, check for third-party testing results, which confirm the product's purity and potency. This step is crucial for your safety and to guarantee you receive the benefits you expect from Moringa. Finally, decide if powder or capsules best suits your daily routine. When sourcing Moringa powder, verify its country of origin. Many high-quality Moringa products come from regions like India or various parts of Africa, where the plant is native and cultivated with traditional methods. Always check the packaging for an airtight seal to maintain freshness and potency, along with a clear expiration date. Reading customer reviews can also provide valuable insights into the product's consistency and overall satisfaction from other users, helping you make an informed decision. Once you have your Moringa powder, understanding dosage is key. It's generally recommended to start with a small amount, perhaps 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Moringa powder is versatile. You can easily mix it into your morning smoothie, juice, or even yogurt. To maintain its nutritional value, always store your Moringa powder in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. This helps preserve its beneficial compounds for longer. Before fully incorporating Moringa powder into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Take time to compare prices and quantities from various reputable vendors to ensure you are getting the best value for your investment. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Making informed choices ensures you get the most from your Moringa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.